I've been using this prop from Stronghand tools for quite a while now in several different videos, several different situations. I've found it super useful. The way to get the most stability out of it is have that foot running the same direction as the arm. That makes the magnet work better. Something that really works well for a slide or a glide is a TIG finger against that smooth, polished arm. This works really well for linear runs or long runs where you want your hand to glide along nice and smooth without dragging on anything, without catching. On a part like this, I'm just a little bit extended, just slightly uncomfortable. I'd normally probably get wood blocks or something, but this just makes it dead easy. It's adjustable and it glides nice. It only takes a few seconds to get it set up at the right height that you need it, and it's way easier than using stacking wood blocks or balls of tape or things like that I've used in the past. And that TIG finger is so smooth that it just glides along like it was made to do it. This is just a sample cube made out of 50 thousandths 5052 aluminum, but I've done parts like this, about the same shape, about the same height, where I'd get 20, 30, 50 of them to do, and it would be well worth it to set up a prop like this to make them all look nice and make it comfortable for everyone. Always be comfortable, ABC. Now for positioner work on a turntable like this, it's a no-brainer. You need a way to prop, a way to hold that torch hand steady whenever you're doing turntable work, or you just won't get the most out of your turntable. And for an aluminum job like this, you really need to be steady, or you're going to wind up duffing your tungsten every now and then. But with a nice steady prop, you get the most out of your positioner, the most out of your turntable, and you can be proud of your work. Just to show you how convenient it is to adjust it at different positions and different heights. 1 minute you could be welding in this position, and then you turn the part over to weld in a different position, and in just a matter of a couple of seconds you can have that thing set up just about right to a position where you can be comfortable, where you won't be fatigued or worn out, and you can make a good looking weld. You can set it up to where you can prop both your torch hand and your filler wire hand so you can be really steady. When I was doing my side hustle welding business, I never really knew what job would come along next, what shape the part would be, or what position I would need to get in, what position I would need to put my turntable on. This prop gives me a lot of options. I'm about to run a bead or two on a piece of aluminum at 60 Hertz because I want to wrap a nice wide bead around it. I'm going to be using a clear number 5 cup because it really helps me film and helps me see the puddle and the arc. Probably about 15 to 20 CFH. Sometimes on build-up work, a low frequency like 60 Hertz lays down a nice fat bead for a base. Then you can increase the frequency as you weld further beads for more control over the arc. But no matter what the welding application is, it helps to be comfortable, it helps to have a steady hand. My online store is at weldmonger.com. Click the link in description to learn more.